Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a script through which if you kick any player from your server, it will show a unique animation which will definitely going to increase your roleplay experience. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which you are going to install into a FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. You just need to click over here. Then click on code and download the script. After downloading it, you just need to extract the file into your FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. Now rename the file and remove the main from the name. Now open the file, go to server.lua. From here you can see the command of kicking the player. As you can see, the command is kick new then player ID. So let's start the server and check out the function of the script. So we are in a server now. Now let's check out the script in action. So we just need to type / kick new, then we have to mention the ID. So my ID is 1, then press enter. So as you can see, we get this type of animation when kicking the player, as you can see, and we got kicked out from our server. So this is how the script works. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.